Unboxing time. Okay. Let me see where my stuff at. Get my little notes up. Put this timer on. I don't want to be too long, you know. Reset. Alright. What's up? We're back. Dawud Knuckles here at ON DEKZ, and we're gonna unbox something. Recently, had a birthday pass, right? Right around Valentine's Day-ish, kind of, whatever. Let's just see what this is. Let's just unbox it. No, let me tell you about the gift first. So, there's two things I want. I told you before, I got something from Fahama Pakul. Nice little sweater. But this is another gift where it's pretty special. Let me just say what it is. Look. Asked my girl for a threesome, right? It won't be the first time. But look, listen, guys. Look, this right here is the cheat code. I'm gonna show you what she gave me. Badu pussy. This is crazy. So, this is the package it comes in. If you don't know what this is a pack of incense. Premium incense by ERYKAH BADU. And it's supposed to smell like a pussy, a vagina. When you order it, got some of this in it. A little travel box kind of thingy. You don't need that. Okay. Nice packaging. Can you smell it through the packaging? I think you could. Damn. Yeah, give me a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Woo. I think I can smell it through the package. I don't know if I should be doing this video. Damn. Okay. Some of the things I want to find out is, are these incense any good? And then what's something we can all learn from finding for use. Here we go. This is a premium product created with pure resin for a slow burn. All kind of thoughts in my head right now. For best results, use in 5-minute increments. Use in open area with good ventilation. Enjoy this. Oh my God. I can't stop smelling this stuff. Wow. So with this review, we're gonna figure out, are these any good? Is it worth the hype? I think it is just I think she's genius for doing this. I mean, what? Am I perfect for buying these? For asking for these? Am I perfect? Just as a, oh my God. Yo, these things, I ain't even open up. It's in the sealed package, and oh my, ERYKAH, I don't be disrespectful. Or your baby fathers is my favorite rappers. Get some water. Hold on. Don't want to catch a cramp. Yo, okay. The packaging is nice. You know what I'm saying? And just to let y'all know, I'm not an incense connoisseur. I've never had incense before. I'm more of a Glade plug-in type of guy. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple of candles though. Got a little couple of candles. Ooh. Here they go. Here they go. Here they go. You can smell it through the package. You can smell it through the package. I mean, it is open a little bit. Is this stapled? package detail. This, you know, what is this? About a couple, 16 inches, whatever. Average incense type of, I guess, length. Comes stapled. Now, I don't have an incense holder. What I'm gonna do, hold on one second. Got an old little candlestick. Hold on one second. And I got some fire. Here we go.